In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Odoo. Changing the currency in Odoo usually means one of two things. You might be updating your company's base currency, which is the main currency used for accounting, or you might be preparing your system for multi-currency transactions. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on where to change the company currency directly in Odoo. To begin, go to the home screen in your Odoo dashboard. This is the main area where you can access all of your apps and system options. From there, click on Settings. The Settings area is where Odoo keeps your main configuration options, including company details and accounting-related preferences. Once you're inside Settings, look for Users and Companies and click on it. This section is used to manage organizational setup, including user access and company information. After that, click on Companies. This will open the list of companies available in your Odoo environment. Now, select your company from the list. If you manage more than one company, make sure you open the correct one before making any changes. This is important because the currency setting applies to the specific company record you are editing. When the company page opens, stay in the General Information tab and look for the currency field. This is the setting that defines the company's base currency. In Odoo, this currency is important because it affects accounting records, financial reports, and overall bookkeeping behavior across the company. Next, click the Currency drop-down menu and choose the currency you want to use. After selecting the correct option, save your changes. That completes the process of changing the company currency in Odoo. Before you do this, there is one very important warning to keep in mind. If your company already has existing transactions in the system, changing the base currency can create serious accounting issues. It may affect your ledger entries, reporting accuracy, and historical financial data. Because of that, this change is usually safest in a brand new database or before any real accounting activity has started. If your database is already in use, it's a good idea to speak with your accountant or implementation specialist before saving the change. Also, take a moment to double-check the selected currency before you save, since this setting plays a major role in how your company's finances are recorded moving forward, and that's how to change currency in Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.